Today we're going to be making a wobbly sculpture. How do you think it works? All right, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Oh, careful up there, Graham. Whew, you okay? Oh, don't worry. We'll make something that will help you balance. You'll need some scissors, some skewers, a cork, some clay, some wool, some colored paper, some pens, some glue, and some marshmallows. Ooh. Starting with our skewers, we're going to cut one of them in half. Oops! Oh, careful when you're cutting these. Put these two long ones through the side like this, and the smaller one through the bottom like that. Now we're going to use our marshmallows. These are going to act as weights on the sides. We're going to put them on these two long skewers, stick them in the side of our cork like this, and see if it balances. These are a bit too long. I'm just going to move these up, cut the ends off, and also cut the middle one down like this. There we go, much better. Let's put this to the side for now. Oh, Graham, no! That one wasn't for eating. Oh, now you've thrown it off balance. This one's lighter than the other one now, so it won't balance properly. I'm sure I've got another marshmallow lying around. Here we go. There, all better. Okay, time to decorate. I'm going to make some hair for a wobble cork by wrapping this green wool around my finger like this. And then tying some more around the middle. I'll just cut the ends down and then snip the loops like this. I'm going to mark a shape around our cork to make sure it's the right size. And then I'm also going to cut two eyes and a wobbly mouth out the middle. Don't forget the pupils. Let's just glue the hair to the top. And then both pieces of the mouth here. And here. Finally, add the eyes. Ooh, careful. Well done, Graham. Wow, I wonder how both our cork and Graham were able to balance. Oh yes, I remember now. It's all to do with something called center of gravity. An object's center of gravity is the point where the weight is even on all sides. Adding the barbecue skewers and marshmallows to the sides lowers the cork's center of gravity, which makes it easier to balance. Okay, let's make a different one. Cut 3 skewers in half like this and take your cork. Just like before, put these 2 long ones on this side and one of the short ones through the bottom. This time, we're going to take the other 2 short ones and put them on the sides just like this. Now we're going to take these balls of colored clay, put each of them on the ends of our 4 outer sticks. Now they look a little bit like planets. That's right, Graham. They kind of look like a solar system. And look at that. Just like before, it balances. Because the balls bring the center of gravity lower than the point at which our cork balances on our finger, the whole thing stays in place, even though it looks like it's about to topple over. Try experimenting with different objects on the end of your sticks. Now that you know all about center of gravity, what can you make balance? Good job, everyone! Another successful experiment! Did you learn something new today?